Hey guys, in this video we are going to review Aerofoot Flying Shoes. The Aerofoot Flying Shoes took the internet by storm, showing people hovering a few feet above the ground using futuristic footwear. The viral clips seemed to reveal a revolutionary technology that defied gravity. However, investigations later proved that Aerofoot is not a real invention, but rather an AI-generated illusion designed to mimic a futuristic tech showcase. Let's see its features. The supposed features shown in the viral footage included levitating capability, futuristic design, and hands-free operation, suggesting a breakthrough in personal flight technology. The shoes appeared to function effortlessly without visible propulsion systems or fuel sources. Yet, on closer inspection, these elements were digitally fabricated using AI and advanced video editing, not real mechanical or scientific features. The concept is visually captivating and futuristic, showcasing the power of AI creativity in visual storytelling and sparking discussion about the future of wearable and flight technology. On the downside, it is completely fake with no real prototype or working product. The misleading presentation may confuse or deceive viewers, and it blurs the line between fact and fiction, potentially reducing public trust in genuine innovations. In my opinion, the Aerofoot Flying Shoes are a fascinating example of AI-powered visual illusion, blending imagination with futuristic aesthetics. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.